Hi, and welcome to Poptography. For today's What's in the Box, got a very special package that I'm very excited to share with you. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Alright, so welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. My name is Patrick, and today I've ordered something I'm very excited about. It was a three-pack. A three-pack that I have been wanting for a period of time that got away from me, and just looking in the wild, I was really struggling to find it. So let's take a look here and see what we actually got. So very, very excited with this. As you can see, it's a Walmart exclusive. It's the Gunner, Officer, and Trooper 3-pack. It's the like Imperial 3-pack. So I really wanted this. There was a time I was walking through Walmart on a lunch break from work. I saw it. I should have grabbed it, and I didn't. And then we've made that mistake at times. You go back later, it's gone. And then just, you think you're going to come up with it again in the wild at a restock, and you just never see it. These guys are really cool looking. I've really wanted them for my collection for a period of time. So without further ado, let's get this open and take a look at all these individually. What we'll do also is, after we take them out and start looking at them, we're going to put these onto the turntable so that you could get a look at them individually, you know, see them in their full glory. I think they're awesome. I've been wanting these guys, like I said, for a while, and I have some cool ideas of how I want to shoot these. Now I think I get some 3D props printed because I got some really cool ideas for these Funkos. So let's open this up. So let us start with the Gunner. Awesome. Even though it's kind of the old style hero pose, but not really, very well sculpted. Like if you take a look at this, very different, especially for, this was an older 3-pack. And the sculpt on that is phenomenal. Look at that. The helmet's great detail. It also has some weight to it. That's very heavy. But the body itself is just like super well detailed. Honestly, I did not think we'd kind of get that in this Trooper. I thought it'd be maybe a little more sculpt of like the original TIE Fighter or like the Snow Trooper. They're kind of very much old school hero pose and not a lot of the detail in the sculpt as we're seeing here. This is absolutely gorgeous. So very excited to have this guy. And again, they will make for some cool characters and images. So next up, just one that is always good to have. I could possibly throw this guy in backgrounds a little bit more. I think trying to use like Tarkin all the time or Pterodol, just not as cool as this dude. In the all black, the Imperial Officer. Look at that. I mean, that just looks so clean. So clean. Hands behind the back. You know, just contemplating what he's going to do. Fighting the rebels. What's his next move? But very nice looking. Love the detail. The hat looks so good. Really does. Love that. Love that a lot. That came out very well. And then this guy. Oh man, very excited. The Trooper. That's what they call him. Very, very cool. I remember having what they call it. I think it was like the Imperial Death Star Trooper or Death Trooper when they had the original figure of this. So that was one of the earlier figures that I had it. I remember getting carded to was this character, but very nice looking detail. Like even with his blaster and his holster, awesome detail. Love that helmet. Very cool. Very excited for that one too. Very excited. So what we're going to do, we're going to put, again, like I said earlier, we're going to get all these individually on the turntable here for you to get a look at. So, curious, are these in your collection? If not, would you pick these up? And if not, curious about that. Why not? Also, let me hear your story. Was there a Funko, like a 3-pack or a 2-pack, or just a regular, normal, everyday Funko that kind of you didn't get and you've been wanting to get because it eluded you? Put that in the comment. I'm kind of curious what your story is on with that. If you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the force be with you.